Good morning to all of you. I'm your puja teacher, and today I'm going to take you to the amazing world of insects. Today I'm going to show you insects. Some of them are useful for us and some of them are harmful for us. But do you know who are insects? Insects होते क्या हैं? आपने कभी देखा है insects को? So, small animals that can fly and small animals who have 3 pair of legs, or you can say who have 6 legs, are called insects. They are also known as creepy crawly creatures. So today I'm going to show you beautiful colorful insects. So are you ready? If yes, then fasten your seat belts and enjoy the ride.
Ants, hardworking and social animal. Ant lives in anthill and they found almost everywhere on earth. Ants play an important role in the environment. They allow water and oxygen to reach plant and roots. They eat dead and decaying plants and keep our environment clean. They are very useful to humans. Worms that live inside the soil are known as earthworms and they are very vital to soil health. They are food for many birds and insects. Earthworms are farmers' friend because they improve the quality of soil. Small, slow-moving, slimy body creature that has a spiral shell on it is known as snail. Snails do not have backbone. These animals move around on a single muscly foot and carry their own home, which is called shell, on their back. They retreat inside their shells at the first sight of danger, and snails are found on land and in the sea. Now, do you know what they eat? They eat small insects, decaying plants, roots, and leaves. Snails are very important. They provide food for all sorts of mammals, birds, slowworms, earthworms, insects, and they are part of the natural balance. So, they are very important for our environment. Caterpillar, larva of a butterfly or moth. Caterpillars are known for their appetites. They generally eat leaves or various type of plants. Some species eat insects or other small animals. Caterpillars are harmless, but remember, they can sting. Butterflies are colorful and beautiful insect. Their body is divided into 3 parts: the head, thorax and abdomen. They have 6 legs attached to the thorax and they have 2 pair of wings. Yes, butterflies have 4 wings and they can taste and smell with their feet. Ladybugs, pretty, graceful and harmless to humans. But farmers love them because they eat harmful insects and other plant-eating pests. Ladybugs can eat up to 5,000 insects in their lifetime. They are oval, dome-shaped bodies with 6 short legs, and they are so colorful. Honeybees are also flying insects. They produce and store honey and make colonial nest from wax. Honeybees are amazing insects and they have a lot of impact on human. They not only collect honey for us, but they also help in pollination. Honeybees are very smart and practical insects. So, during the spring and summer season, worker bees are busy collecting nectar and pollen so that they can store lot of honey for winter season because they do not survive outside of the hive in the cold season. Fireflies, beautiful creation of God. They are also known as lighting bugs. But do you know something? They are not flies and bugs. They are beetles. And not all fireflies are able to flash light. only male fireflies have ability to flash light. They are very helpful predators because they control the population of snails and other harmful insects. Fireflies mostly glow at night. Fireflies produce a chemical reaction inside their bodies that allows them to light up. In Hindi, we call them jugnu. Dragonflies. They are the fastest flying insect in the world. They fly extremely fast and even fly backwards. They come in variety of colors, including blue, green, yellow, and red. They are some of the most colorful insects on the planet. Interestingly, they are important to the environment because they mostly feed on mosquitoes and other insects. So, they do an excellent job of reducing mosquitoes' population around homes. They can eat hundreds of mosquitoes each day. So, they are very beneficial for our environment. Grasshoppers. Grasshoppers are interesting insects and they live in fields, meadows and anywhere where they can find vegetation to eat because they mostly eat leaves and grass. They can be found almost everywhere in the world. They are very beneficial for our environment because they make a more efficient place for plants and other animals to thrive. Insects are beneficial for the mankind and the environment. So, this was all about useful insects. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.